Open-ended novelty is a goal of artificial life. Here I describe some steps towards this goal that we have observed in our Automata Chemistry Stringmol. Alife is a route to getting novelty, but novelty could be anything from a change in the number of spots to a major transition. Novelty needs to be classified. If we have a good model of our system, we can use that as a reference for our novelty classification. For open-endedness, we also need to refer to a model of our model, a meta-model, because we're looking for new concepts, new types of things, not merely small variations on things. True open-endedness keeps producing novelty. It is a process of always, eventually and continually moving outside its current meta-model. Novelty is something new, not seen before, not expected. We use a definition that has three types of novelty relative to the system model and meta-model. Type 0 novelty, or variation, is novelty within the model, such as new instances with different values of model types. Type 1 novelty, or innovation, is a novelty that changes the model, such as speciation requiring the introduction of a new class or type in the model. Type 2 novelty, or emergence, is a novelty that changes the meta-model, such as a major transition requiring the introduction of a new concept in the meta-model. Our experimental system is the Stringmol Automata Chemistry. Each Stringmol is a sequence of opcodes. Stringmols bind and the code executes. The system starts with replicator stringmols designed to copy the strings they bind to. The copy opcode executes with a small chance of error, providing a source of mutation. The meta-model of this initial system has a taxonomy of entities with interactions. The model is an instantiation, with stringmols, their bindings and reactions. We have mutation designed in, so the model incorporates the initial replicators and mutated strings classified as others. The system run starts with only replicators, but after a while mutations happen and other strings appear. These are new instances and need no change to the model. We have variation. After more time, as variation accumulates, we see new behaviours. Some strings behave in a parasitic manner, resulting in no product. Some reactions result in multiple products. We change the model to incorporate these new reaction behaviours. We have innovation. Later still, reactions become more complicated. We can no longer describe the system using properties of strings alone, as they behave differently with different partners. We see properties of reaction networks rather than of just the strings themselves. So we change the meta-model to include reaction networks and a taxonomy of these. This allows us to change the model to include observed reaction networks. We have emergence. As I said, novelty is defined relative to a model and meta-model. So if we'd started with that final network model, we would have seen no novelties relative to it. But we probably couldn't have built that last model without seeing the relevant behaviours first. But the initial model choice does not matter. A truly open-ended system will always eventually move outside its meta-model. Thank you.